What you're about to watch was not filmed. No camera, no actors. This is a shemametic movie scene created entirely with AI. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built it using shards AI.
This is AI Mastery Tutorial.
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop, step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
All right, the very first thing we have to do now is to have an idea, think of what you want to create. So when you have what you want to create, the next thing is to fix the prompt of what you want to create. Because the way you fix your prompt determine how your content will come out. Now, the last one I must have in your mind is the right AI tools to use. And that is taking us to shards AI. So we are going to use shards AI today to create this particular short movie scene that you just watch. And over here is the shards AI. The link to shards is right there in the comment section, and I will also drop it in the description box. So over here in the shards, you have to pay very good attention. There are a lot of tools in shards AI. So the particular one that I'm using to create this particular content is called shards film video. shards film video melody. This is the particular one, this particular one here. That's the one that I'm going to use to create this content for us. You can see there are a lot of them over here. So when you choose the model that you want to use, it will come up this way. Over here, you cannot choose the details that you want. Don't forget to choose your image setting. You can see all the settings here. You can see the duration. You can see the duration. They have 5 seconds to 12 seconds on this particular shards film video. So what you need to do, for me, I'm using the 12 seconds of it. So after that, the next thing is to come over to this box section. You can see they have image to video and they have text to video. So what we are using right now is the text to video. Now I drop in my prompt here. Then I hit generate. All right, our generation is ready. Let's take a quick look at it. So now you can see the first action is out. So what we need to do now is to get a picture of this to have a consistent character. To do that, we need to right click on this image here and save the video frame. Save as frame, video frame, this particular one here. You can choose to save it on the desktop for faster accessing, okay? So click on desktop, you can give it a file name, you save. So now that we have saved it, you can close this place here. Now we need to use image to video to continue to the next scene. By clicking on this image to video, we pick our video from here, the image, by uploading it from the local drive. Now we'll go to where we save the image, which is on desktop, this one here. Now I can see it has bring in the image, that image that we draw that side. So the next thing to do here now is to put the second prompt, the second scene prompt of this particular video. I've copied my prompt, then I have to drop it here. This is prompt. Don't worry, all the prompts I've used on this particular video, they are all there in the description box and also in the comment section. So the next thing we generate it again. Don't forget, the second scene, we are now using image to video so that we'll be able to get a perfect, consistent character of this particular movie. Okay, so you can see the video is generating as well. We'll be back after the generation. All right, the second scene is ready. Let's look at it. This particular one here, let's see it first. Now you can see how the second scene starts. You can see that was the reason why I save the picture, the image of that last scene, so that we'll get a perfect consistent character. You will agree with me that the characters did not change, it remains the same, including the scene and every part of it. So let's create the last one before we go. All right, the last scene is ready. Let's take a quick look. All right, so this is the step by step how I was able to create this short cinematic movie using CArt AI. Don't forget the CArt link is right there in the description box and also in the comment section. So let me know what you think about this short movie, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it, and send your comments. See you on the next one. Bye for now.